Ito, tawagan natin si Mami. Tingnan natin kung ano gagawin. Hello. Sagot. Ito. 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 Yung green. Hello. Hello. Ito. Hello. Hello. Tawagan natin ng aking asawa. Tingnan natin kung anong gagawin ng batutang to.
Wag, ya, pipit-piting ka. Pipit-piting ko yung kamay. Pipit-piting ko. Pipit-piting. Pipit ko. No, pipit. Pipit. Dance. No. Sleep na ikaw. Sleep. Mine.
Diyan ka muna. Go! Let it go! Ayaw? Stop the book eh. Kanta, kanta. Kanta, kanta muna, kanta. Kanta. Ang galing. Ah, yeah. Nakatayo nga naman siya. Maraming talent ng batang to. Yun! Uh-oh. Yun, may doggy nakawala. May lahi. Oh, kaninong aso yun? Shell. Kaninong aso yun? Ayun pala, kala ko. Kala ko nakawala. Yun. Kala ko nakawala. Yung may doggy. Yung doggy. Yun, si doggy. Si doggy, laka doon. Kala ko nakawala yung aso eh. Kala ko nakawala. Lagot. Yeah. Okay. Dirty. Aba. Yan, yan. Wow. Gising na yan. Good morning. Kunin mo si Penguin. Bla bla bla. Si Penguin. Matulog ka muna. May gagawin si Daddy. Magmawa pa ako. No, gising na. Daddy. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Twink. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Mami. Mami, gising na. Halika, bilis. Oh. Mami. I love you. I love you daw.
I love you! Good morning! Ang haba ng sleep natin ah! 9:30 na.
Good morning. Aba, lalo naging energetic.
Lalo na, bad breath.
Lalo na naging energetic na nakita si Mami.
Ay, sis. Halap.
Sarap. I love you.
I love you.
I love you.
Say I love you. Ah, sarap.
Eto na. Ha? Eto na. Eto na.
Eto na! Eto na! Ikaw. Apple.
Eto na. Eto na. Tulog. Hindi makabirit.
Nakabirit. Parang may ang boses.
Wow! Aba, malalimig ang kagabi yan.
Hindi, sige ba ang gising eh.
Wow!
Wow. Happy. Anong happy? Happy. Alam niyo ito binibidyo.
Wow!
Ikaw naman, ikaw ang wa. Inom water. Ang dami.
Uy,
Bao! Ang bao! Ihi naman ng bata.
paltan na ng Pampers.
Ulit ng diaper.
Ah, atay.
Ihi na ito. Bakit? Sarap ng tulog eh. Ang sarap ng tulog eh.
Oh dear, she doesn't look good.
Open? Open?
Fiona, let's have a look.
Try. You try.
That's the problem.
Ikaw naman, try. Try to open it.
We fixed the problem properly. Now Fiona's running bubble free. I'm sure I pressed the right
Open, try. Di mo open.
They'll soak
Open.
the sun's energy and turn it
Aba.
into green power for the whole garage.
Wow, naman tinalo.
Hello, Bobby. Wow. Look at you. You're all gadgets. And we only
One, two, three. Open. Help. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
the road, Bobby.
Ako naman. Gavin, tingnan mo. Open.
I think we're going to have to watch you by hand. Squeaky clean. You can get back to your bus route, Bobby.
Chocolate.
What's making you dirty?
Chocolate.
Messy old
Chocolate.
you.
Chocolate.
Clean electric engine.
Ikaw ay macolate. 1, 2, 3. Hindi makapen.
Are the solar panels ready? The panels take energy from the sun, giving Bobby clean power for him to run.
Nabuksan ko na nga ito. Help. Yay!
Waiting out here.
Yay!
The tunnel's blocked and you
What
can't
do you
get
like?
through.
Chocolate?
I'd better take a look.
Yay! Bah, kumain ka na ng kanin ah. Kain ka ulit ng chocolate. Michelle! Magganitin pa ba to? Ay, ito. Ito, may kinuha siyang chocolate. Kabayo. Oh. Open? Open. Try to open. Try to open it. Try to open. Open.
We're trapped inside.
Gavin,
I've got my tool.
Hindi ko ma-open. Ikaw, open.
We're going to need a bigger toolkit.
Sana? Open. Open.
It's
See?
long enough to move the rock. How are we going to get it?
Ikaw, open. Open? Okay, open. 1, 2, 3. Yay! Open na.
Wow! I didn't know you were so strong. Mummy Truck saved the day.
Mami,
Hi,
sa tiyo, Mami.
the excavator to clear away all these rocks. There you go, Eric. All better now. Oh, it's the monster trap.
Yummy?
It shouldn't be playing here.
Yummy!